What's going on? Welcome back. Today is the day. We're changing the spark plugs and the air filters on this car. I don't know if it's ever been changed, so I have a feeling that it's gonna, work better on idle and it's gonna pull better. So stay tuned, let's do this. Alright, so all we have to do, take these screws out. This is the air intake, so we're gonna change the air filters. We're gonna remove this rail, whatever you call it, and you can see the ignition coils and spark plugs under it. I got the Denso spark plugs. They're iridium. I was looking for the Bosch because the Bosch is usually popular and they use it in Europe and Germany, but they don't have Bosch in iridium. They only have the double platinum, and they say that the people from the store, they told me use only iridiums, don't put the double platinum because your car is gonna lose the performance. So I got those spark plugs, and I got the this is cheap filters. I was gonna get what's the other one, MKs. They're like 45, but a guy told me there is no difference in performance. The other ones are more expensive just because you can wash them, but I don't want to wash filters, right? When the time comes to change, throw them away, put the new ones. Alright, so that's about it. We got everything back on it, new spark plugs, new air filter, and you just gotta do another side the same, and that's about it. Yo, so that was it. It was really easy. I mean, like really easy. Everything came out smoothly. You know, sometimes when you like start fixing something and you just get stuck on like a little thing, but this thing went really smooth. I test drive it and it like honestly pulls a lot better. Like I can feel it doesn't like a struggle. I think because of those air filters they got like full with the dirt and stuff. Now it pulls better. It's really smooth at idle when you're standing on the traffic light or wherever. So yeah, mission accomplished. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe as usual, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys next video. Alright, thanks, bye.